Hello beautiful people, welcome to AnneBetty's kitchen. This is your food and nutrition chef Esther Ajimba. So today I bring you Avocadonnaise. That is it. Look at that creamy goodness. I'm going to do this magic in the comfort of your kitchen. So if you've watched the vinaigrette recipe, and I spoke about why you shouldn't go for creamy salad dressing as it defeats the whole purpose. Today I bring you, if you want creaminess that's good for you, this. Avocado is packed with so much nutrients. I'll put the link on I made a recipe for avocado smoothie and I spoke about the health benefits of avocado. I'll put that in the link in the description button so you can check that out. So today, if you want your cream, this is another option. It makes it so creamy, it's so tasty and yet so healthy. So let's do it, people. I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can reduce this or increase it. And this is extra virgin olive oil, so it's another genius food. I told you this year I'll be bringing you a lot of healthy recipes. So this is 3 tablespoons. Like I said, you can reduce it if you don't want it too oily, but because olive oil is healthy, got 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. This helps it. Avocado, once you cut it open or you use it, it starts discoloring. This helps it so it doesn't discolor. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of wine vinegar. This also helps it with the taste and the discoloration so it doesn't discolor. And it's a preservative. Both the lemon and the vinegar serve as preservatives. And I've got 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This is whole grain. You can choose the smooth one. I prefer the whole grain one. So this is just by choice. So that's another thing you can change. And 1 teaspoon of white pepper. I didn't use my black because I don't want the bits of black bits in it. I want it to look smooth. So that's what I use, the Dijon mustard. I use the whole grain, but you can go for the smooth one. And I'm adding, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. This is also very optional. You can leave this out. But if you've been following my recipes, you know that if this girl has got a sweet tooth. But trust me, I like healthy stuff. I do. And this is honey. This is good honey. So, yeah. But you can omit it. If you don't have a sweet tooth like me, you can omit that. Then we go to our avocado. Give your body love. Show your body love. That's why I got this here. All your body needs is love. Good avocado. Oh, see how it peels. It's beautiful. And it's organic. Eat organic. I always say invest in your health, I invest in my health. Trust me. I pay for good food. And people, don't throw this away. If you watch the avocado smoothie, you remember I spoke about it. I'm packing it up. When I have enough, I'll do a whole video on it, so please keep it. We're going to use it. So I'm going to blend it. So I'm going to puree it. Some of the avocado are so creamy, extra creamy, and this is one of such avocados. So I'm going to add a bit more olive oil. So like how you prepare mayo, you keep adding your olive oil to the consistency you want. It's ready. Avocadonnaise. I like that name. I love the name. Don't you think the name sounds sexy, people? So look at that. Look at the creamy goodness. So creamy, so healthy, so tasty. So, if you love your cream, this is an option. Feed your body with good things, and your skin will thank you. Your whole being will thank you. Look at the creamy goodness. This is good. Healthy. Good for your brain. Like I told you, I'll be bringing you a lot of genius foods, and this is one of them. So people, you can use this as a dip. That's my tortilla. It's really good.